As COVID-19 forced schools to shut down across the world, Lynne, a digital learning specialist, took on the challenge of collating remote education resources for a rapidly growing audience. With the help of Kyle, a Glide expert, Lynne released an early version of her app, and immediately the teaching community started contributing. Now, with the help of over 80 volunteers across the globe, Lynne's crowdsourced app helps thousands of educators share resources and information on remote learning.
I would say less than 30 minutes, honestly, in getting this set up and ready to go. Mostly it was just the thinking through, where do we start with the initial terms and what makes it useful to educators. But it was wonderful knowing that even if I missed a term, like world languages, I could instantly add it and people would be ready to go with that. We have, I think, about 9,500 people worldwide at this point who have logged in for something that didn't even exist as a community really as even a month ago. The team that contributes to this, the primary contributors of resources, come from Vietnam, Doha, Qatar, Thailand, Canada. This is truly a global effort of educators. And I think it also helps us see the best of every system and be able to pull that in a time that's really trying for everybody in so many ways. But in some ways, it's a catalyst for change for the better in education.